बी।
साक्षी कौन से सेक्शन में? बी में। और बुशु वो सॉरी हृदयांशु।
रिकॉर्डिंग
बी।
स्टार्ट हो गई, बातें मत करो।
बी।
तेजस्सु।
All are discussing about your section. You are?
Yes.
But in Zoom classes, it doesn't section you are studying because I'm the section.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Siddhi.
In which section?
I don't.
कौन सा सेक्शन?
This A.
साथ कौन सेक्शन में? मैंने बोला
Fine. Now you all will not talk. I am muting you all. Almost I have muted you. Fine. Thumbs up. Show me your thumb. This taught yesterday are clear to raise your thumb like this. Ma'am, yes. We chapter 2, the wonderful. Is it clear to all? Is it clear? Should I teach the next exercise to you? I don't know, there is network problem or you are not able to answer. Aven is showing his hand. Start, ma'am. Fine. I think all of you are clear about the exercise which we did yesterday. I can see you all have turned off your video. Please on it. I want to see your pretty faces. I want to interact with you. As you can see me, I also wish to you. Okay, fine. I'm sharing my screen. Fine. This was guys which we yesterday. Ingrid. Your voice is not coming. Priyansh? Priyansh? Send me message and hear my voice. The statement true or false. The king had ordered a palace. You told it is true. No one had heard, tasted, available. You are all giving answers. But I can't do video. Anuvya, and Arav, if you have any query, you can type a message. Sarvagun, you can also type a message if you are having any sort of. Turn on your video, Kashni. I can't see your video. Turn on your video, everyone. Then the cook had planned to make another dish using the vegetable scraps. No, it is false because the cook had planned to throw away the vegetable scraps. False, false, false. Siddhi, false. Fine. I am revising it. We have done it yesterday. Now, let's move on to another exercise. This is a list of recipes and we mark the numbers. You told me that, ma'am, which statement should come first, which statement should come second. Like there is the statement wash and clean. Wash and clean the mix of vegetable bits. Whenever we try a recipe, whenever we cook a dish, we Kashni, Kashni, can you see my screen? Kashni? Can you see my screen? Turn on your video, everyone. Turn on your video, everyone. Nipun, Aradhya, everyone, turn on your video. Javandeep, Arav, can you hear my voice? Arav, Given in the box are some things that children do after they reach home from school. Look at question number 2. There is a box, and in that box there are some with mama about school, sleep for a while, wash up, do the homework, watch TV, go to play, read a storybook, change out of school uniform. There are am I audible to all? Am I audible to all? Nipun? Indrajit, Sparsh, Hridyansh, can you all hear my voice? Your internet. 1 second, I am checking your messages. Can you hear my voice? Hridyansh, answer me. Hridyansh, I can't see your video. Please turn on your video, everyone.
उनका वाईफाई ऑन है।
अब हो गई हूँ सर, अब हो गया है म्यूट, फाइन सर, ओके सर फाइन. Can you hear my voice, Anuvya? Anuvya, am I audible? Am I audible? Fine, fine, fine. I'm just taking your attendance and after that I'll start my class. Tavish. Ansh? Ansh, can you see my screen? Anuvya, can you see my screen? Ansh, can you see my screen? Show me your thumbs up. Anuvya, can you see my screen? Fine, fine. We were reading this question yesterday. Given in the box are some things that children do after they reach from home. Reach home from school. When you reach home after school, what do you do? There are few sentences written inside the box and you will have to mark these sentences. Like first, I. What do you do after coming to school? Put away school bag, or you have lunch, or you do the homework, you watch TV. What do? You will have to put these sentences according to your action. What do you do first? Like first, I put away school bag. This is the first thing that children usually do after reaching home. Then what do you do after putting away your school bag? You have lunch or you chat with mommy about school. You can write the sentence, whatever you do. Fine. Next, after chatting with your mommy about school, after having lunch, what do you do? Next, you have to write. Next, what did you do? After that, what did you do after lunch? You do the homework or you sleep for a while, or finally, and in the last, what do you do? Fine, like I'll explain these sentences like first I put away school bag, then I change out of school uniform, next I wash up, after that I have lunch, finally I sleep for a while. Fine, you can write in this way. Whatever you do after coming to your home, what do? You will have to write the sentences from this box. Fine. You will select sentences from this box and write them in these blank lines. Fine? Is it clear to all? Watch TV, then I go to play, change the uniform, go along, sleep, watch TV. Siddhi Chabra, ma'am, I doesn't sleep for a while. Sleep for a while. I do the homework, go to play, good. Take rest for 30 minutes. Arush, that is not written in the box. You will have to write only those sentences that are written in the box. Fine. You will have to write sentences from the box. You will not write sentences on your own. Dhruv Ahuja, change clothes. Do homework. Sleep for a while. Arush Narula, take rest for 2 hours. Those who are raising their hands, make sure that you have a question to ask. Otherwise, text me. It takes a lot of time to unmute and mute you. Yes, Rityansh, very good. Put away the school bag. Second, change the uniform. Milan, do lunch. Yes, whatever you do, whatever you find suitable from the box, you can write it like first thing which you do, then the second one which you do, then the next, after that what you do, and finally at the last what you do. Is it clear to all? Is it clear to all? Ansh Mehta. Ansh Mehta, is it clear?
अब करे सबको बोल रखा है पहले शॉप पर जाते थे तो आके इन्होंने कपड़े बदलने जब 10 मिनट के लिए बाहर गए हैं आके इन्होंने कपड़े चेंज कर लिए। कह रहे आज सारी दुनिया ऐसे कर रही है कि बाहर जाए तो लग रहा कहीं कपड़ों में वायरस हो रही है, भैया चेंज करो, हाथ मुंह धो तब बैठो। बालों में भी बताया है, ये कह रहे मैं सिर धोता।
Now let's talk. We will just discuss. The Maharaja was a wise man and ordered the cook to use the vegetable scraps instead of throwing them away. Name some of the things which are thrown at home or in the school.
Excuse me.
Yes. Chat me. Chat box. Use chat box. Ma'am, we have to write in grammar or literature. You will have to write in literature. Yes.
Ma'am, I can write.
Use chat box. Send me message. You will have to write this in your textbook. But if you don't have textbook right now, you can write it in your notebook. Fine? Any rough notebook, whichever you find in your home. Fine? Ma'am, I have one notebook for English, grammar and literature. Fine then. Ma'am, we have to do it in notebook or take a print out. Do whatever you like. Basically, these are the exercises that are to be done in book only. But many of the students are not having textbook, so they can do it in their rough notebook. Fine. And when the school will open, when you will buy book, then you will copy these answers in your textbook. Fine. I think I am clear on my part. It is absolutely fine that you have a textbook. Do these exercises in your rough notebook and then send it to me. Yes, ma'am, please start. Fine. Name some of the things which are thrown away at home or in a school. There are so many things that we consider is a waste and we throw them. what these things can be? You will have to name them. Fine. Like in home, we throw plastic bottles, Tetra packs, plastic bags, garbage. Garbage is a waste. Plastic bottles, empty bottles, or Dhruv Ahuja, very good. Sharpener. No. Vegetable scraps. At school, we throw little pieces of chalks, paper, remainings of a color pen, chips pack. Fine. Siddhi, very good. Sharpener peel, very good. Vegetable peels, very good. Leak pens, fine. Foil paper, paper pieces, yes. There are so many things which are thrown away at home or in school. Fine. Sit in groups of 4 and think of interesting ways in which they can be made useful. Fine. We have to sit in groups and we can think how these waste can be utilized to make something new out of it. How can we use waste paper to create a new thing? Fine. And you have to write these waste material on the blackboard. We don't have blackboard right now, but you can write it in your notebook. Foil paper, very good. Now, word building. This is the main part. Some words have more than one meaning. Fine. There are many words which have more than one meaning. Like we used a word ground in the chapter Wonderful Waste. There was a word used in the chapter like fine, fine, fine. So grounded there means point. Point means a dot in print or writing. Whenever we write something, if we put a dot there, it is also known as point or full stop. Same when I say don't point me, don't point finger at me. It means to show or call attention to something. Fine. Now you will have to use a dictionary and you have to find the more meaning of ground, survey, scrap, sternly, tempting. Fine, this is a exercise. Ashmeet, okay. Like ground. Ground is the solid surface of the earth. Fine. Like if I say my pen fell down on the ground, it means ground is the surface of the earth. Next, ground. Ground is the past form of grind. Fine. And to mix something strongly, when we mix two or more than two things strongly in the mixie, it is also known as grinding. Fine. The process to mix something. Survey. We read this word in the story that survey means to examine something, or survey means a short summary. In the same way, the word scrap has two meanings. Scrap means a waste material to throw or to dispose that throw material. Fine, it has also two meaning. One is noun and one is verb. Okay, ma'am. Okay, grind or ground. Fine. Sternly. Sternly means to look in a strict manner. So, sternly will be, if we are using as a noun, it means strict. And if we use as a verb, it is severely simple. Tempting. Tempting means highly attractive and to invite or to attract. Like the smell which was coming out of the dish was very tempting, means very attractive. So I'll be sending these answers with the question sheet, and you will have to do it in your notebook, or if you have book, you can do it in that. Now, make new words by adding or dropping G, ER. You have to make a ER, EST to the root word that is given to you. Pour, try, large, new, tasty, wise, clean, like this. Like we will take example of first word pound. If we use ED, it will be pounded. Fine. Now, if we add ing to pound, it will become pounding. These are two cross. It means we will not make word with pounder or poundest. Fine, we will have to make words only using ed and ing to pound. Fine. Next, try. If we add ed to try, it will become tried. Ing, trying. Fine. In the same way, large, what will it become? Answer me in chat box.
साथ ही बहुत सुनते थे अदनान सामी ना।
हाँ
Next.
गाने उसके ना। और कहते थे, कह रहे
हाँ।
मैं तो ऑपरेशन करा के पतला हो गया, मैं भी ऑपरेशन करा लेता हूँ। मैंने कहा ये वायरस
Siddhi.
तो हटने दो, मैं तो कुछ करना धरना है नहीं,
Siddhi.
अब ऑपरेशन करा लेता हूँ।
नहीं यार, ऑपरेशन क्या, जब खुद से थोड़ा ट्राई करेंगे ना तब बाद में, वो तो बहुत लास्ट की बात है।
अब वही है ना, जैसे ये डॉक्टर प्रदीप पतलाखा ने कराया है, तब से
You
इनको
can
थोड़ा
text
सा,
me.
हाँ जैसे उनको भी काफी मोटे नहीं थे, पेट
मैम
बहुत
बाय
था,
मिस्टेक इट
कराया
हैज
See
तो
my screen.
तब से वो
Wiser.
कह रहे उन्होंने तो
Yes,
करा लिया
yes,
है, और
wiser.
हमारा तो वो हेल्थ
Taste
इंश्योरेंस
test.
हो
No
रखा है, फ्री में हो जाएगा,
pursing.
कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, सर से बात करके
TSTI.
चला जाता हूँ अपना। अब मैंने कहा बाई चांस हर एक का शरीर एक जैसा नहीं होता, उन्हें कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, कोई बात नहीं। अब मैंने कहा बाई चांस तुम्हें कोई
मैम प्लीज
प्रॉब्लम रहने
म्यूट
लग गई, फिर
आरव
उसके बाद क्या
मिगलानी।
करोगे? कुछ खाने
वो
पीने की
मैम
वो
प्लीज
रहने
म्यूट
लगी
आरव
तो,
मिगलानी।
हाँ। अब मैंने
कंट्रोल
कहा
करने पड़ता है यार।
वो तो डॉक्टर है, उन्हें सब पता है कैसे क्या करना है। मैंने कहा तुम और परेशान हो जाओगे, रहने दो। मैंने कहा अपने आप से ही कोशिश करो, बस कोशिश भी नहीं
मैं
करते।
सच में, मुझे आधा घंटा हो गया, मैं यही सुन रहा हूँ, फिर मैं चाचा को कॉल करूँ पहले।
मैम कैन यू म्यूट आरव मिगलानी?
हाँ। पता नहीं रह कहाँ गए हैं, तो आने वाले और कह रहे थे 12 बजे से पहले पहले आ।
अरे यार, घर पे सारा सुन
See the word large. If we add er to the word large, it will become larger. Larger, larger. And if we add est to the word large, it will become largest. So we have to make tasting. Very good. Larger, largest. Ridyansh, very good. In the same way, tasty, tasted, tasting, tastier, tastiest. We will add est to the word root word tasty. Fine. In the same way, we will do it with wise. Now, look at the worksheet. I have typed all the exercises which are in book. Fine. And there are answers also in that worksheet. This thing we have discussed in our class. Answers are underlined and bold. The correct answers are in black and they are also underlined. Fine. I have written the page number also. Fine. You can find this exercise on the following page. And this was the true false which we discussed yesterday and today. Fine. These are the answers. True, true, false. Next. This is the exercise what we discussed yesterday and today. Vatsal. This is the recipe and we have to number the recipe. Fine. This is also we have done in our class. Given in the box. This is the exercise which we have done today in our class. Given in the box are some put away school bag and change, put off uniform, and exercises. Some words have more than one meaning. Look at the words ground, survey, sternly tempting. These are the words which I taught you. Fine. Ground meaning solid part of surface. As a verb means to fix things strongly. Survey has two meanings. Noun used as a noun is a short survey. To look over carefully. Verb. Scrap, waste material, throw. Verb. Tempting as a noun it means highly attractive, and tempting it means to eat or to attract. This exercise we have discussed just few minutes ago. I have to make new words by adding ing est to the root words. This is the exercise and I have written all the answers in dark font. Like if add ed in the root try, it becomes tried. We add ing to the word try, it becomes trying. So in that way, we will have to frame out of the root words. And where there is a cross, we will not have to write anything because it will not form. Fine. Now, do any of these words all four endings? Just go to the table and check these. Tasty completes all the four parts. Fine. I have written tasty. Then the next word clean completes all the four that it will be fine to complete the whole table. Fine. It covers all the four parts. So it is the exercise. I think these exercise as your homework. If you have printer at home, you print it and keep it. If you don't have printer, you can write it in a rough notebook. Fine, you will not write in fair notebook. Time is over. Time is over. Oh my God. I have cold. Leave. If anyone is problem, then he can. Fine. I'm unmuting you all. If you have any doubt,
अभी ना बाहर
this question. Any problem? Any problem?
ये दुनिया ऐसी हो गई
The students do not have. So as these exercise as a home. Fine. Doing this not in the class. Fine. Give this as homework. If you have rough note, you can. Who is doing making these sounds? Fine, I'm giving it as a homework. If you have a rough notebook, then you can write these statements along with answers in the rough notebook. I will not write it in fair notebook. Fine. Is it clear to all? Bushra? Clear? Show me your thumbs up like ma'am, it is clear. Fine. If you have got book, then you can write these in your fine. You will click page of the textbook and send it to me as a fine. Those students who have textbook, they will do it in textbook only. And those students who have not brought textbook, they can write in their rough notebook. I think I am to all. Bush. Yes.
कल मैंने क्लास अटेंड करी थी प्रेजेंट नहीं लगी मेरी
Okay, I'll see. I'll mark your present today.
Okay, ma'am.
Fine.
Okay.
Okay. Rupanshi, please send message. Ma'am, okay, ma'am. Rupanshi, please send message. Okay, ma'am. Fine. If you have any sort of problem, then you can send message. Bushra, lower down your head. Do you have any doubt? Class? No? Fine. Everything is to you? I have question. Aradhya? Rupanshi, no. Aradhya? Aradhya Mehra. Aradhya, please type your question in chat. Fine, class.